Good day, everybody. It's Richard Miller doing my TQS Top Quality Stocks October TQS review. It's the 5th of October. Just before we start with the October stocks, we'll recap the September Top Quality Stocks which we highlighted in the previous last month's webinar. And yeah, you can see the performance of these stocks has done pretty well. Zoom Communications, a very good one, 30% for the month. Meritage Homes, 23%. Penny Mac Financial, 18%. LGI, 16%. So overall, a very good performance from the top quality stocks of last month. Adobe, Chemet all pulled back a little bit to key moving averages. So there was some profit taking in those names, but still not hit at any stop losses from those particular buy points as of the 8th of September, since the last TQS update. Right, for this month, let's kick off straight with the new list, and you'll see the same kind of stocks resurface generally in a good market. Let's close that one. For those that's new to the webinar, look for stocks with earnings per share growth rates in excess of 15% over the last couple of years. We also look for return on capital equity more than 15%, and also looking for stocks that's already outperforming the market, the top 10, 15, 20% of the stock in terms of performance. Okay. Now the way to approach the screen is you rank the screen. Let me just make this window a bit wider. And you can sort by highest EPS growth rates and then work your way back. Let me just make this smaller. So Biolabs, very strong earnings growth. This is an ADR, so you want to look at the primary listing in this case because this is a very choppy trade, but nevertheless nice 34-day moving average pullback. Kenon Holdings, utilities company, look for it in the space. It's forming a very long couple of multi-month base. If we look at the weekly chart, bounced off beautifully off the 55-week moving average there. And now ideally you want to buy it when it's breaking out, but in the meantime swing trades in and around the moving averages, you know, these levels, yeah, these are great entry points for stocks. Is this 13 and 21 day moving average swing. So those are key levels to watch for. Zoom Communications, once again, huge breakout, pull back to the moving average, nice entry point there, and off it went. And now it's forming somewhat of a new base. We need to form a new base here above the 422 zone. A little bit extended from moving averages, so you can expect it to dip back, consolidate these gains, and then continue its move higher. But that's been a very good performer, and locking some of those profits in at these levels would be a good idea. Newmont Corporation, gold mining company, fantastic rebound here. You can see at the 144-day average. It's still below the 55, so that's a bit of a problem. From a stock trading perspective, ideally you want to buy stocks that are rebounding from the 55-day average. So keep that one on the watch list for any kind of strength back above the 55-day. EBS, a little bit under pressure, trading below the 55-day, so we need to see this one regain 107 for us to be interested in it, as it needs to get back above these key levels. FRTA, another beautiful rebound here, you can see, of the 233-day moving average. It's not yet above the 55-day, so we need to see get it back above 1260, 1291. So there's a possible swing trade here from these current levels back up to the key moving averages. It's consolidating the recent move, but volatile, quite volatile, and then your bottom line support here is 1055 in this particular name at the 55-day, 55-week moving average, so to speak. Aqua, Water Technologies, strong rally after rebounding from the long-term moving averages, back above the 21 and 55 and the 13 days, so you could look at any snapback to the 2075 as a key entry point in these stocks. ServiceNow, great rebound from the 55-day moving average, strong rally, got back above the 21-day and the 21-day and the 13 moving averages. So far so good, and you just accumulate this one as it goes higher, as it pulls back to these 21-day moving averages. Penny Mac PFSI also pulled back nicely to the 21-day. You can see there, lovely pullback there. Check the weekly chart, steady as she goes, up, slow grind higher. So you just keep trading these pullbacks to the 21-day and 13-day moving average. AMD is back here. We had a lovely rebound there. Fantastic entry points here at the 55-day moving average. Now your new support level should be $80. 86 is the next target, and this old high up here of 94 is the next target. So upward continuation pattern expected. One move pullback and then another move up, so and should be a grind, a slow grind higher towards the $90 level. So keep that one on your watch list. VCTR, Victory Capital Holdings, asset management business. Fighting for support here. Managed to find support here. 377-day moving average back above the 21-day, so it'll be interesting to see if it can stay above the $17 level for the coming week, but keep that one on your watch list. Another one, Netflix, rebounded beautifully from old support levels here. The 34-day came in handy, back above the 21 and 55 days, so we're kind of bullish on it with the targets of 552 and 560. The upside targets is your next key resistance area. But watch out, very nicely a rebound from the 55-day. You can see at 491. Fantastic entry points there. Secondary entry points in Netflix. Darlington Ingredients, packaged foods. A little bit extended now from moving average. Wait for it to pull back. These highs here, 35. Pull back to 35 when these moving averages catch up to about there. Should be a nice secondary entry point, but beautiful rebound here from old support levels. R1 RCM healthcare company, beautiful rebound there, $15. Now fighting all resistance levels. You could see it to pull back to the 16-year, that level there, 1659 as a key support level. So that's how you go through the top quality stock list, looking for those 21-day and 13-day moving average pullbacks with really big pullbacks from the 55-day moving average rebounds. Here's another one, Maxar Technologies, also within September had a nice rebound, back above the 21-day moving average. So far so good. 29 is your target there. Novax, NVAX, slightly in trouble here, below the long-term 233 days, so we do need to see buyers come back in here. The money stream indicator is still not very positive, so keep that one in the back burner. And that's just how you go through the list, find these top quality names when they get close to buy points. Let me just see which one. Yeah, Adobe is the other one I'd like to discuss here. Fantastic rebound from the 55-day back. It's now just looking at the futures, we should get back above the 21-day today, and that's a nice secondary entry point for it. Upside target is the old high here for it, but it's forming a new base. Support around the $470 level, and if we can see here, we are consolidating this recent rally move, so it will be healthy for the stock to move sideways for a while, yeah. But certainly a stock to add to your watch list. Just back to the market pulse. In terms of the Nasdaq, we can see 55 days of key support. We rebounded beautifully from all support levels here. Futures indicate that we'll be back above the 21-day and 13-day moving averages. So far so good. As long as we stay above the 55-day, this rally is okay into the year end, but any break with significant volume to the downside on the 55-day is a significant problem. Just one thing to remember, we've not had the volume spikes that we need to confirm a new rally, so we are in kind of orange mode, that there is positive price action, but it lacks volume, so just be aware that there is some downside risk still to come to get through October. We do need to see some huge volume coming through, but the orange plus point is that we are back above the 55-day moving average in this case. Okay, but keep the screens, run your screen, and then find your 21-day, 55-day pullback stocks. That's how you kind of approach the market over the next coming weeks with the TQS top quality stocks. Until next time, happy trading, and see you next month for the TQS review of the October trades, and then we're going into the November month. Until next time, happy trading.